Hey everyone, we are back again today with a neat little hack that I've got. It's pretty simple. It's basically how to make your own foaming hand soap. If you've never even tried, I figured this out a number of years ago. It's super simple. For a guy that goes out and gets his hands dirty every day of the week and God knows what I'm gonna wind up in the middle of, it really does work. We're gonna make our own foaming hand soap with Dawn dishwashing detergent. This is not sponsored. This is totally off the cuff. Let's get this rolling. Okay, before we get started, this is not my merch, but if you like this shirt, go check the dudes out on Howridiculious. They are funny, it's hysterical. The very first exposure I got to Howridiculious was when they collaborated with Mark Rober, and they were literally bouncing large stuff off of an industrial-sized trampoline. So go check them out. Again, not my merch, their merch. Cool shirt, love my Rexy shirt. One of my favorite t-shirts. Anyway, moving on. Back to the soap. This is super simple. It's kind of got inspired by seeing the oil spill that's currently going on in California. Hopefully this helps somebody down the road and maybe gives them some inspiration, because it thins out the dishwashing soap, makes it a lot more usable, and is very, very effective. And for anybody wondering, why don't you just go buy more soap? It's cheap enough, and I get that, but I've also found that mixing Dawn with just standard water and making that a foaming hand soap actually works better than most of the mild detergents that you can buy for somebody in my line of work. What we've done here is these are just two recycled foaming soap dispensers from some random brand. I can't even tell you what brand it is. It doesn't matter. Any foaming soap dispenser will work. We're just refilling them. Typically I do this in the sink, but I wanted to shoot outside, so it's a pitcher of water and a funnel. So we're good. We're gonna fill these about 2/3 to 3/4 of the way full with cold water, because the cold water doesn't foam up as bad. A little more. If you want the foam a little thicker, use a little bit more soap and a little less water. If you want it a little bit thinner, use more water and less soap. I prefer it thicker because, again, I work with my hands every day of the week and twice on Sunday, and I get dirty. And we'll call that good. Next thing we're going to do is take the dishwashing detergent. It's not sponsored, but you wouldn't mind if it was. I didn't bring paper towels out. Good job, Billy. And fill it up, like on this one, to about the corners. You've got to leave some space for this extra bulk up here, so you got to just leave some space for it. Really, really simple. If you overfill and it spills, it's really not a big deal. Just take them. Whoop, why don't we put the top on that one, right? There we go. If you mix it up, that's all you got then, and you're good. It's seriously that simple. So hopefully this saves somebody some time, some money, is very effective for somebody who uses their hands for a living, gets whatever. It just, to me, this is a very simple thing. You can actually take essential oils and put those in these if you want to make them smell, but you make it smell a certain way, just tune it to whatever you like. I prefer not to do that because you can use this on dishes very, very easily. Dishes, hands, whatever. I mean, you can wash your pets with it if you want to. Essential oils, some of those are bad for your pets, so I wouldn't probably use a lot of those if you're not sure about it. So anyway, hope this helps somebody out. Please hit the like button, subscribe if you want to, and hit the notification button, because hey, I'm gonna keep trying to put some cool stuff out there. I hope somebody finds it useful. Anyway, until next time, think outside the box and do something cool. sunglasses when you're outside. I can see the red light is recording. Because I'm not totally stupid to do that the second time. Good God. As I'm looking at the stamp on the plastic on the side of the side point.